Hey everybody, I'm Jill Stoppel Davis, owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park. We are a private personal training studio that specializes in helping people that don't like fitness, haven't worked out before, want to stay fit but you're short on time, or you just don't like going to that typical crowded gym where you're not getting the personal attention and the results that you want. So I'm reaching out to you today. You all know the new year is coming and you're gonna be seeing tons of fitness promotions about New Year's resolutions. Well, I wanna come at you with something different. We run really great transformational programs and challenges here at Excel, and we will be starting another one at the end of January. But I don't wanna focus on a quick fix, the next fad, or just your New Year's resolution that falls to the wayside. I want to invite you to join us for our 6-week total transformation. We focus in on 4 components that you need for lasting success so that we can help you turn this into a lifestyle change that's easy and that you love and that gets you the results that you've been looking for. Number 1, we focus in on proper nutrition for the all 6 weeks. I have a registered dietitian that's helped me put together awesome meal plans that are easy and doable, and even your kids will join you in eating them. We use a lot of great recipes, and the evening meals are sometimes turned into leftovers for lunch. You're gonna know what to do every single day, and it's all normal food. We don't just have you eating chicken, broccoli, and egg whites. Number 2 component is strength. Strength training is what you need to see the results in your body. I have a great team of professional fitness trainers here at Excel that have been doing this for a long time. We have a templated strength training program in our small groups that happen to be for ladies only, that get great results in a short amount of time in 30-minute sessions. We also have a private personal training option with this program, but you can read all about that in our website or call in and ask me questions. Number 3 is HIIT training, high intensity interval training, which I'm sure you've heard a lot about, but that gets you the results and keeps you burning fat after your workout. That's part of our workouts, and that's part of why they're so effective, quick, and get you results. And then number 4, our support is like no other. Not only will you go into a closed private Facebook group, you're also gonna have a smartphone app that comes with this program where you have access to your coaches all the time. So if you're out shopping off your grocery list that comes with this program and you have a question, you can go right to your app and message us. It also gives you daily check-in reminders and accountability lessons every day so that you are able to start making the changes and get the accountability and motivation that you need. I won't make this video any longer. Please check out all the information in this link or email. We would love to have you join us, and I guarantee you won't just be a number here, and we have something very different to offer you this new year.